In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix TikTok picture-in-picture not working. If you are having trouble to enable picture-in-picture on TikTok, just head into your TikTok, long hold on any video and slide to the very end. Enable picture-in-picture. Get back to your home page, head into your phone settings, on this page, select General. Then you will have to tap on this option of picture-in-picture. Make sure to enable this option on. Then get back to your TikTok. Still long hold on your screen to select picture-in-picture. Your TikTok picture-in-picture will get added successfully. That's how easy it is to fix picture-in-picture not working on TikTok. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.